To fix an LG front-load washer that won't drain, several common issues should be considered. A clogged filter or blocked drain hose are often the culprits behind drainage problems. One possible solution is to clean the drain filter, as a blocked drain pump filter is a frequent cause of washer drainage issues. This can be done by opening the washer's drain access panel, located at the lower front section. To access the filter, the drain hose should be pulled out of the compartment and any residual water drained from the washer before the filter is unscrewed from its groove. The filter can then be cleaned with a brush, rinsed thoroughly, and remounted securely. It's also important to reinsert the drain hose before closing the access panel. Another issue to check is the drain hose itself, which can become clogged, kinked, or squashed against the wall behind the washer. Running a spin cycle with the drain hose removed from the external drain can help determine if the hose is the problem. If the water flow is low, the hose may be blocked or restricted in some way. Additionally, in cold weather, the hose may be frozen, so it's a good idea to thaw it before running a wash cycle. By checking and addressing these potential issues, fixing an LG front-load washer that won't drain can be a relatively simple process.